guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is the second day that we're gonna be checking what is in this calendar box in H&M, and then of course also this Christmas card from the Lotto scratch cards, and we see if we're gonna win 1,000,000. So we're in our second day, so I would like to open this one first. And we find the number 2, this one. I hope it's something nice. Oopsie. Oh, okay. It's earrings, silver, but of course it's not real thing. It's just fashion we can wear for everyday use, maybe, until it became worn out. So let me just try to remove this. Oh, it's a bit hard actually. It's like really stuck inside. Okay, now I got it. So there you go. Looks so pretty. I think I will actually use this today because I'm gonna be going out with friends. So this is the second day I got from H&M calendar Christmas. And then now we're gonna scratch the Lotto scratch card. So I already scratched the first day. There you go. It's Christmas candles. And then now where's the number 2 here? I'll scratch it with my finger only. I got nothing. There, that's a different one. Then I have to find it at the back. What is this? I don't know what is this in English, but yeah, it's like a Christmas decoration on the Christmas tree. So there you go, 4 times. So I need to have at least 4 of this to win 75 kroner. That's not a lot. But anyway, we're still in our second day. So let's see in the future. Maybe it's gonna be something very big. Okay, that's it for today, guys, for my second day of H&M calendar and the Lotto calendar. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a Merry Christmas.